Beautiful blue sky in the background there for December. Most people, what they'll do with my tips in December, others won't do for the first 6 months of 2026. Everybody will have the same idea when it comes to the 1st of January. I'm going to get myself into good shape and better health. Listen, if you follow my few tips now, you'll be in great shape before New Year's Eve. I'll take care, Farmer Joe.
You know, if you wait for everything to fall into place before you start living, you'll be waiting forever, friend. There's no use in waiting for a perfect day. The best day you have is today. So I hope you live this life, friend, as best you can. You chase the dream. I believe in you.
A beautiful fresh morning out with Mother Nature. Absolutely beautiful out here. Listen, all have a nice day. Get yourself out to nature. Farmer Joe. Everything in moderation. Total bullshit. You won't get sick in moderation. You'll get sick and you will be sick. So everything in moderation. Totally bullshit. Calorie counting is not the way forward for better health. It's all about the quality of your food. And if you mix a single one ingredient food, you won't have to do any calorie counting. Eat real food. And all these people will tell you, the calorie counters, you can eat what you like in moderation. It's all bullshit. Listen, have a look what I'm doing. Have a look how easy it is to do. If you're calorie counting and going to the gym, yes, you'll get results. But if you're eating good food and real food, and you're only moderately going to the gym or doing calisthenic exercises, you'll get great results. I'll take care. Farmer Joe. Good evening. I'm just bringing my two pals out for a walk. People always ask me, you know about my diet, about my Farmer Joe's original diet. I'm out to promote healthy eating, and I'm out to promote calisthenic exercises. That's one of my main, things why I'm on social media, is to help people eat healthy. Your diet is 80% of your overall health. And on top of that, calisthenic exercises, your body has a gym built within itself. So if you open your body up and start doing a bit of calisthenics and eating healthy, you'll find you'll be in the best shape you've ever been in your life. Now I'm going to pop up a few photographs of around this video of the sort of food that I cook for myself. It's high protein, low carbohydrate, very successful diet. It has me in the best shape I've been in all my life, and I've loads and loads of energy. So you'll see exactly little pictures popping up all around the screen here. There's pictures popping up all the time here of food that I eat all the time. And listen, all have a nice evening. Get your diet right. It's 80% of your overall health. If you get that right and bring calisthenic exercises in, you'll all come back in January and say, Joe, listen, thank you very much. I'm following you for the last couple of months. I'm down 2, 3, 4, 5 stone. I've lost 5 stone, 32 kilos. Don't shortchange yourself when it comes to your health. I'll take care. Farmer Joe.